Good morning, children. Today we are going to do poem number 4, Foreign Lands, book exercise. So let's begin with page number 85. Comprehension. A part of the question. The poet climbs up a tree and is filled with wonder at the things he can see. Can you recount them? Yes, we can recount them on the basis of our reading or recitation of the poem. So point number 1 says, the poet could see a garden next door which was full of flowers. So you're going to use pencil to write it in your book. Question number 2. He saw a dash river which seemed to mirror the dash sky. The river was dimpling, okay, and the sky was blue in color. The third, the roads were dash and people were dash on it on their way to town. So the roads were dusty, full with dust, and people were tramping, means walking on it, on their way to the town. Fourth, he means poet, he thinks that if he could climb a taller tree, he would be able to see much farther. F-A-R-T-H-E-R, farther. Fifth, he would be able to see where the dash slips into the dash among the ships. He would be able to see where the river flows, goes into the sea among the ships. The 6th point says, perhaps he would also be able to follow roads to the horizon, from where they lead into the fairy land which is filled with total imagination. Okay. The 7th point says the poet would know for sure then that in this make-believe world, the children dine at 5, and when they go to bed, all the toys come alive. So here toys you can also relate to playthings, okay? The meaning of toys associated with playthings. So on that road, on that street, children dine at 5 and all the toys come alive. Similarly, answer the following question from poem number 4. First question, you are going to write in your notebook. Where does the poet climb? The poet climbs up a cherry tree. Second, what did the poet hold? We all know the poet held the trunk of the tree. Question number 3, why was the poet happy on seeing the pleasant places? The poet was happy on seeing the pleasant places because he had never seen such beautiful places before. That is why he was more happy. Fourth, what kind of a tree did the poet want to climb to see farther and farther? To see the farther things he want to climb on a taller tree, no? The answer is the poet wanted to climb a taller tree to see farther and farther. The last question asks you, what happened in fairyland? In fairyland, the children dine at 5 and when they go to bed, all their playthings, toys come alive, come in real existence. Okay. Next you have literary appreciation, which is there on page number 86. So you are going to write it in your notebook. Find all the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. So the rhyming words are, children, what are the rhyming words? First of all, know. the words that have the same or similar ending sounds. So in the poem, you may find hands, lands, ds over ds. Both places you will find same sound at the ending. Lie, I. Pass, class. Down, town. Tree, sea. Slips, ships. Hand, land. That we have done already. So no need to write hand, land. 5, alive. So you can find many more. I have picked a few. You can find out many more in the poem stanzas. Coming to the next, after doing literary appreciation, come to listen and tell. Listen and tell you are going to do on the basis of backside page number 121. It's given on page number 121. I'm going to read the paragraph. Then you will be able to answer the following questions. We were eagerly waiting for our visit to Delhi. On 12th November, we boarded train from Amritsar and reached the hotel in the evening. Next morning, we saw the Qutub Minar in the morning and the Horse Khas village in the evening. On 14th, early in the morning, we went to Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. The rest of the day we spent at Connaught Place and did a lot of shopping. In the evening, we saw the Parliament House and at night we were at the India Gate. Next day, early in the morning, we went to the Lotus Temple and in the evening we boarded the train back to Amritsar. So this is what I have read from page number 121. You can turn and you may read from there. So now read the question. Listen carefully that you have already listened and complete the given itinerary. Remember that an itinerary is a plan for a journey. Itinerary is called a plan for a journey, which you prepare early. Okay, no, a pre-plan. So start from home. When you have started from home, it's on 12th November. Visit the Qutub Minar 13th November morning. Go to Horse Khas village. It's in the evening, 13th November evening. Visit to Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Then again 14th November morning. Then when you have read this line, shopping at Connaught Place, it was done during daytime. So 14th November, same day, afternoon. Visit the Parliament House. It was done on the same day. In the evening time. So we can write 14th November evening. Go to India Gate. Same on that line. You will find same day 14th November night. At night. Next you are having visit the Lotus Temple. So we can find it was done on the next day. It means 14 plus 1, 15th November. Early in the morning. Then board train to Amritsar. Returning back to Amritsar. It was done on same day 15th November and it was evening time, in the evening time. So you're going to write it down in your book. Thank you.